Mae Cymru'n gartref i ecosystem o arloesedd dynamig sy'n helpu i drawsnewid ein iechyd a'n lles a'r dirwedd economaidd. Mae hwb gwyddorau bywyd Cymru'n falch o arddangos y datblygiadau diweddaraf gan y diwydiant, y byd academaidd a'r maes iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol.
The recent pandemic has seen an increase in the use of face masks and single-use PPE, and this resulted in us increasing our efforts on R&D to aid the recovery of such products. The Curtamelt and Sterimelt take what is designated as a single-use waste plastic from the NHS waste streams and re-engineers it and recovers it, turning it into an inert piece of polypropylene that goes further into the UK recycling chain. We were introduced to Hardshell from the Life Sciences Hub. The synergies between us were huge.
The main products that the Hardshell is focusing on are the Type 2R mask and the FFP3 masks. The prime customer for us is the NHS.
We're able to produce about 50,000 masks a day. Obviously, in the process of making those masks, some of them are not perfect. We put them to one side for TCG, and they were very happy to take them away and melt them down into these lovely briquettes.
We aid Hardshell's internal recycling programme, and it also aids us in our own R&D.
Life Sciences Hub Wales were integral in getting us together. We're basically taking these masks out of landfill. Yeah, it was a no-brainer for us.
What we've seen with these two companies, so with TCG and Hardshell coming together, is a shared passion and a shared vision to support not only the health sector but support the environment. The last 12 months has really seen a change in the landscape to want to explore new ways of working to drive efficiencies moving forward. And our role at the Life Sciences Hub is really to develop that ecosystem, because what we're really focusing on is bringing the best innovative solutions for the benefit of our health system here in Wales.
Mae hwb gwyddorau bywyd Cymru'n gweithio ar y cyd i sicrhau mae Cymru yw'r lle ar gyfer arloesi y maes iechyd, gofal a lles. Ymunwch â ni wrth i ni droi ein gweledigaeth yn reality. Cysylltwch â ni drwy e-bostio hello@hubgbcymru.com neu ewch i lshubwales.com/ky i ddysgu rhagor.